Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is 12th question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So let the age of Ravi be x. So 15 years from now, so after 15 year later, Ravi's age हो जाएगी x plus 15. So according to question, x plus 15 is equal to 4 times his present age, so हो जाएगा 4x. So 15 is equal to x को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे 4x minus x, so हो जाएगा 3x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 upon 3 is equal to 5. So present age of Ravi is 5 year. हमने present age assume करी थी x, so present age of Ravi is 5 years. Thank you.